Good morning, all of you. So, once again, welcome. Then, yesterday we saw the classification of powder dosage form, right? We covered bulk dosage form for internal use, bulk powder for external use, then simple and compound powder for internal use, right? And some portion from the powder enclosed in sachet and capsule, right? So let's begin, right? Let's begin with the this is the powder enclosed in sachet and capsule. This portion we had covered in our yesterday lecture, right? So that is a powder are enclosed means packed in a sachet or capsules, right? Some there is some advantages and disadvantages, right? Then type, there is some type of sachet. This sachet are classified into their seal, according to their seal, right? That is the wet seal sachet and dry seal sachet, right? Then that is two kind of sachet, that is wet seal sachet and dry seal sachet, right? So first of all, see the wet seal sachet. It is made up of two similar convex halves having a flat edge, right? Then the wet powder placed in a lower half, moisten the edge with the water, and then placed first half fitted over lower half, and both halves pressed together in order to seal perfectly, right? Then dry seal sachet, as like above sachet, it has two halves but upper half slightly larger than lower one. Filling process are same and finally sealed with the machinery packed in boxes. So let's have a look on sachet, right? These are the sachet. See, this is the wet seal sachet, right? And this is the dry seal sachet with a dome, that is this is the dome, okay? And without dome, dry seal sachet, okay? This is the picture of sachet. If this is dry seal, means dry seal sachet, and this is dry seal, sorry, wet seal sachet, and it is a dry seal sachet, right? So actually what happened, this sachet contain two kind of similar convex, two kind of convex half, right? Means two portion, right? Then the wet drug or wet powder placed in a lower half means uh, the drugs, whatever we have to dispensed in or packed in sachet, that powder are fill in lower half, right? Then moisten the edges with the water, with the help of water. The edge of the lower half are moisten, right? Moisten or wet, right? And then place the first half fitted over the lower half, and then another half, that is our first half, upper half, are fitted over the lower half, right? With the half pressed together in order to seal, right? मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो सैचेट है वो टू पोर्शन रहते हैं उसके, एक अपर पोर्शन एक लोअर पोर्शन, ठीक है? देन जो ड्रग हमें डिस्पेंस करना है इन सैचेट में या फिर पैक करना है सैचेट में, उसे हम क्या करेंगे, जो लोअर हाफ है या लोअर पोर्शन है उसमें फिल करेंगे, प्लेस करेंगे, ठीक है? देन आफ्टर दैट सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर लेके क्या करना है, उसे उसका जो एजेस है उसको क्या करना है, वेट करना है या फिर मॉइस्चर करना है. देन जो फर्स्ट वाला हाफ है उसे उसके ऊपर रख के प्लेस करके टाइटली उसे सील करना है, ओके? दैट there is a use of water or moisture in the edges. That's why this kind of sachet are called as wet seal sachet. So have a look on, this is the wet seal. These are the edges. This is the lower half or lower portion, or is the upper portion, right? Firstly the wet powder are placed in the lower portion, then with the help of water these edges are moistened, right? Then the upper portion are placed and sealed with the pressure, right? This is the wet seal sachet. Then dry seal sachet, as like above sachet, it is have two halves, but upper half slightly larger than lower half. As like the uh, wet seal sachet, the dry seal sachet are similar, right? But there is a quite difference, that is there is also two half or two portion, right? But in which the upper half is slightly larger than lower half. This is the slight difference it have. Okay. Then similar like the filling process are similar, means a wet powder placed in the lower portion of sachet, right? And afterward the upper portion fit or place over the lower portion, right? And the sealing is done by the machines with the help of machines, right? The sealing is done by the with the help of machine and packed into a boxes, right? So let us have in look on dry seal sachet. These are the dry seal sachet. See, there is a lower portion and this upper portion. This low upper portion is slightly larger than lower portion, right? There is a hence there is a one form a cap, right? Cap like structure is a form. Okay. And the sealing of dry seal done by the machinery, right? And packed in a boxes, right? So these are the two kind of sachet, right? Wet seal with the help this in dry seal sachet, these sealing process are done by the machinery, that's why it's called as a dry seal. And in which the wet seal sachet, there is a sealing happen with the help of water, right? That's why this is called as a wet seal sachet, right? So after that, the BCP include two sachet, right? BCP include two sachet, right? BCP means the British, sorry, it is not a BCP, it is a BPC. BPC. The BPC include two sachet, means the BPC British Pharmacopoeia Codex. This is the official book as like a Indian Pharmacopoeia, that is IP, right? It is the also in British Pharmacopoeia there is a two it gives a two kind of sachet, right? That is a sodium amino salicylate, and this is the example, sodium amino salicylate and sodium amino salicylate with isoniazide, right? Means these two kind of medicines are dispensed in the sachet form or packed in the sachet, right? And this is given in the British Pharmacopoeia, that is official book. Then our next topic is packaging and storage of sachet, means how to package the sachet, pack the sachet, and how to store it, right? Or how should it is store it, right? The packed in a boxes, the always it is necessary to that sachet packed in a boxes or in a tin container, right? In a tin container or box container, right? Boxes or a sachet need should be stored in packed in tin container, right? Tin container or in boxes, right? Then labeled with the instruction, and that container should have a label, right, with the instruction that place in a water for deep in a water for few seconds, and then swallowed with draught of water, right? Before administration, before taken, it deep in water for a few seconds and then swallowed with a draught of water, right? Means this is the instruction for how to take a sachet, right? And this instruction is should be shown in the label, right? मीन्स जो सैचेट है उसे पैक करना है एक तो बॉक्सेस पे और टीन कंटेनर में, और वो जो टीन कंटेनर है उसमें लेबल लगा होना चाहिए विथ इंस्ट्रक्शन दैट इज बिफोर टेकन इट deep in water for a few seconds and then swallowed with a draught of water. मीन्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेट करने के पहले उस जो सैचेट है उसे क्या करना है, पानी में थोड़ा डीप करके रखना है फ्यू सेकंड. आफ्टर दैट क्या करना है, जो सैचेट है उसे सॉल्व करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर. सो दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन इज नेसेसरी टू show on label, right? So these are the packing and store in the good place, right, or from away from. Then these are the packing regarding sachet, right? So afterward, that is compressed powder. This is the fifth classification of powder, right? That is compressed powder. The powder also classified according to this, that is compressed powder or tablet, right? Then compressed powder, it is also called as tablet triturate or molded tablet. The compressed powder also called as molded tablet or tablet triturate, right? Then molded tablet are flat circular disc shape. The shape of molded tablet or compressed powder are flat, either flat or circular disc shape, right? Usually contain a potent drug with a suitable diluents. Means mostly the potent substance or a potent drug which are dispensed in a compressed powder form, right, with a suitable diluent, right? Means potent drug are mixed with a suitable diluent and dispensed in a compressed form or compressed powder, that is tablet triturate or molded tablet form, right? Then there is one apparatus, right? There is one apparatus which is needed to prepare a compressed powder or tablet triturate or molded tablet, right? So the name of apparatus is tablet triturate mold, right? Tablet triturate mold. See the figure. This is the tablet triturate mold. This is the apparatus which need to prepare a compressed powder or tablet triturate or molded tablet. By this instrument we can prepare a tablet triturate or molded tablet, right? So there is some construction, right? Means construction regarding this apparatus. Okay, let's see the molded, that is tablet trituration molded, right? Actually the apparatus is made up of stainless steel having two plate, that is upper and lower plate, right? Both plate contains same number of holes, right? Means the apparatus, that is tablet triturate mold or mold, made up of stainless steel, right? Made up of stainless steel. This is one kind of steel, right? Then and that mold have a two plate, right? Have a two plate, that is one is upper plate, one plate called as upper plate, and second is lower plate, right? And both plate contain a same number of holes, and these plates have a holes, right? Have a some number of holes. Okay, the mold available in several size and capacity between 30 mg to 250 mg. Means this mold, means tablet triturate mold or tablet triturate machine, are available in several size. Means different available in market with a different size. Means different kind of size we can purchase the mold from market, right? Different kind of models are available in market with a different size, right, along with its capacity, right? And the capacity between that mold has a capacity between the 30 mg to 250 mg. Means we can prepare a tablet triturate between the 30 mg to 250 mg, right? The 50 to 250 tablet triturate can prepare a time. Okay, at once we can prepare a 50 to 250 tablet triturate, right, at a time. means